Hello guys, my name is Spicy Bill and today I'm doing a special public safety announcement for the IKEA brand Detolf display cabinets. Now obviously most of you guys who are into this kind of product are either collectors or people who like to display objects inside these display cabinets. A lot of us are either collectors of sports memorabilia, people with high-end collectibles, various other collectibles. Some people display action figures, some people display statues, some people display model kits, and various other kind of collectible items. These are very popular among, this is a very, very popular product used by many people. However, unfortunately, there isn't enough people talking about the issues surrounding these very inexpensive cabinets. They're very good for $59.99, around $60. But they do have a lot of issues that people often overlook. So I've been doing research on this product for about 2 weeks since I got one for Valentine's Day. And I've discovered pretty much all the flaws that can easily be prevented when using these kind of products. Obviously, a lot of people display their thousands of dollars worth of products, worth of collectibles in their Detolf cabinets. And, if these cabinets fail, you end up with thousands of dollars of destroyed collectibles. Often some of these collectibles are irreplaceable. So, that's really going to get people very angry. So one of the biggest problems here is the glass are known to implode. And the problem with the glass imploding is actually very simple. Basically, what you don't want to do is you don't want to put too much weight on top of the cabinet. So basically, you have the top shelf, where it's like that wooden part. You don't want to put something heavy on top of that cabinet. You don't want to have excessive pressure pushing down on the glass cabinet. Basically, what's going to happen is that that pressure will cause the glass to crack. And once there's enough pressure, the entire side, the siding, either the front side, the back side, the left and right side has the potential to just completely implode. So that's one huge flaw. Second flaw is there's the individual dividers. There's like a metal bar that's well between the each side to hold up the shelving for obviously the 3 shelf that's dividing the each individual section of the Detolf. The welds between those metal bars are actually very weak, so they cannot hold up to they can barely hold up to about 15 pounds of weight. So if you have anything over 15 pounds inside, sitting on the shelf, you have the potential to break the welds on those bars. And then once the welds break, the shelf is just gonna come crashing down. So that's one huge flaw. Well, that's another huge flaw. Also, basically, what happened here is the glass, that they use, the glass shelving that they use, are actually very weak. They can only hold up to 13 pounds. So the bar can only hold up to 15 pounds, and the glass shelves can only hold up to 13 pounds. So if you put anything over 13 pounds, you have the chance of cracking the glass. As you can see here, this is an article written on 16society.com. It's very well documented. Someone displayed their Hulk Buster inside the IKEA Detolf, ending up breaking the glass and ruining his Hulk Buster figure and the rest of his Hot Toys collectible. Everyone has seen these photos of crushed shelves and broken figures. No one wants to experience that. A shelf die can be devastating, let alone an entire shelving unit coming down. So what kind of solution are there? So basically what you can do is you can cut stronger glass for your Detolf. Well, the thing is, the stronger glass is good, but the bars on each side, like I said, the welds don't even hold up to 15 pounds. So even if you have stronger glass, you're putting something that heavy on it, you are going to break the bars, and then you're going to have a shelf dive. So there's a couple solutions what you can do. Basically, you can, from this example right here, you can cut a very strong sheet of acrylic shelf onto, well, basically the acrylic sheet or the acrylic shelf insert will allow it to hold up to, up to 37 pounds of weight on there. So that's actually really strong. That's probably one mod you want to do. And on each side of the welds, on each side, instead of using the those welded metal rods for each of the cabinets, you can. Okay, so these are U-bolts right here. So basically, you can see right here, I have these already attached to the Detolf. This one is made by a brand called Hillman, and it's the 1/8 cable diameter. You can find these at your local Home Depot and various other hardware store like Ace Hardware and stuff like that for less than 25 cents. So these are definitely a good deal. Definitely something I would recommend getting. So basically what these does is it solves the problem of these very weak welds on these bars. So what happens when these welds fail? Basically what you have is a thing called a shelf dive. So basically your whole shelf, whatever you have on the shelf, go crashing down and crushing everything that you have on the shelf underneath. So if you have like thousands of dollars worth of collectibles, well, you can say goodbye to that. So yeah, you can see how weak these points are just by taking a look at the picture right here. You can take a look at that. So basically what the U-bolt does is reinforces these joints. So just in case the weld fail, this thing, the shell won't be good. The shell won't go crashing down because it's held in place by these U-bolts. So, and the thing with these U-bolts, you don't want to over tighten them because you don't want to crack the bracket right there. So just make sure they're tight, but not too tight. And just do one for each corner. That should reinforce it. Now, another good thing with these U-bolts is you can create new shelving with these U-bolts. So basically, if you want to create like another shelving underneath, you just get 4 of these U-bolts and then you just line them up, and then you can put another shelf there. So my recommendation is to go with a very strong acrylic sheet where you can get a tap plastics in place of the glass if you're going to place something over 13 pounds, or just to be safe, I would just recommend getting acrylic sheet anyway. That way you won't run into the issue of ever having to worry about your stuff getting damaged. So yeah, just some suggestions to help my fellow collectors. For those of you who are concerned about your Detolf shelves, you can see sometimes these are kind of uneven too. So basically, some people suggest that you add some extra. You can see this thing is a little bit crooked, so there's some wobbling here. So basically what you want to do is you want to put some tape right here underneath here to hold up some of this section so this thing won't be like wobbling around like that. It's kind of annoying. It's a good product for $59 and $59.99, but it's far from perfect. So there's quite a lot of things that you want to do to prevent disasters from happening. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any other suggestion, go ahead and leave a comment in the video, in the comment section. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated if I find more new information. Thanks for watching.